The Mijello Airtight palette. It might just be the right palette for you. Whether you're traveling or painting outdoors or in your home or studio, this palette is so versatile. But maybe you're just starting out and you don't know for sure what kind of painting style you're going to want to have. Or maybe you're an advanced artist looking for a plein air palette, which is one way I love to use this palette. I really think this palette is built with you in mind. It bridges so many different artists' needs and is great for beginners as well as advanced artists. My name is Katie Harris, and I'm here to help you grow your skills in art and watercolor and grow those skills into something that feeds your heart, fuels your passion by sharing the best tips, tools, techniques, and gaining access into the artist mindset. Mijello Airtight palette has 18 slanted wells, which is more than enough colors for both studio paintings and plein air work. The wells hold a good amount of paint. The mixing areas are plenty big, and I usually mix a variety of colors within each smaller section. Cleaning up the palette is easy, it's durable, and the plastic just cleans up quickly. If you have any stains from staining pigments, you can always try a magic eraser on that area, but I haven't needed to do that in the year that I've had it. For traveling, it's important that your palette is lightweight, durable, and keeps your paints clean and moist. The Mijello palette has a clip closure that is very secure with a rubber gasket in the top section of the lid. While I'm packing up after painting plein air, I do make sure that I've wiped the mixing areas free of any extra water and moisture. I really like the clear plastic tray that can be removed and rinsed under clean water apart from the rest of the palette. I have made a custom color chart that I put under the clear plastic tray. You can download this template free on my website below. I just trace this template onto the watercolor paper that I most frequently use, which is Arches Hot Press 156-pound paper. And then I make a high concentration swatch and label it with a waterproof pen. I've arranged my colors with the yellows at the top and then the reds and blues along the sides with the neutrals and a convenience mixed green along the base. Of course, you can arrange your palette however most suits how you paint and how you want to organize your colors. I always think that I will remember what each color is, but occasionally these details slip my mind. So I make sure each color is labeled with waterproof pen. I always make sure I include the brand and the full name of the pigment. The majority of the pigments that I use are from M-Gram, they're professional grades, and I love how these paints are so concentrated and they re-wet easily. So one of the main considerations when choosing a palette for plein air is the weight, because you're most likely traveling and carrying this palette with you in your bag. So it's nice that it's a very lightweight plastic and it only weighs 9 ounces with pans filled. It's a great size for slipping in your backpack or travel bag or even your purse. For more of my recommendations for pro-grade supplies on a budget, click here. Or if you would like to go straight to my watercolor tutorials, that playlist is right here. See you there.